Today I'll show you quick gameplay from Pokémon Go. Let's enter a date of birth, for example 1992, and let's go as returning player. Okay, as you can see, here is our character, and that's how looks the map. In the center is our character with its range. Right here we've got our team, that's our enemies. These little tiny pets are Pokémons. These lines are streets, and this is whole map. Also, on the map we've got Pokestops and gyms. Okay, maybe let's start our gameplay by catching some Pokémons. You can catch Pokémons in two ways. You can throw Pokéball straight or curve it. The second option is a little bit harder, but it's easier to catch. Okay, now we can spin some Pokestops. By spinning them, you've got rewards as Pokeballs, berries and gifts. So now we are going to fight. Let's pick our team. And maybe we can heal our Pokémons. And we can start fighting. In order to fight, just tap the screen. Let's take the second Pokémon. Now we can use our super strength. Tap here while the other Pokémon is attacking you with his superpower to make a shield. Great, we've defeated them. Right now we can try to catch Shadow Pokémon. Shadow Pokémons are the one Pokémons that were captured by the R team. They are a bit harder to catch because they are attacking you a lot. So you just have to find other way to catch them. Okay, we've got him. So let me just explain you right now about menus. As you can see right here, we've got some buttons. Let's start with our character. Let's tap here. And as you can see, here we've got statistics about our character, our body. We can change our style, see our journal, and look on our body history. Let's tap on friends. Right here we've got friends, we can send them gifts. We can trade with them and battle with them. Okay. Also we can add them to our list, look for new friends, invite our friends in real life to game, and search for other people. The last thing in this menu, you can switch your online status. Okay, let's tap on our body. As you can see, here we've got body menu. We can gather hearts by walking together, giving them treats, playing together, battle together, taking snapshots and visit places. And let's tap on the Pokeball. In here we've got some specific menu. We can see all our Pokémons. Our Pokédex. Shop. Let's take daily free box. Oh, our bag is full. And we can battle with other players. And right here we've got our items. Okay, if you tap right here, you got access to your quests. I think that's enough for the beginning. If you find this video helpful, hit the thumbs up, comment and subscribe.